Space is vast and mysterious, filled with planets and stars waiting to be explored. For centuries we've gazed at the sky, wondering what lies beyond. Our robotic explorers are our eyes and ears in the cosmos. One such explorer, 3I/Atlas, was sent to Mars, our red neighbor. On September 22, 2025, something extraordinary happened above Mars. A tiny, fast-moving glint appeared in the sky. That was 3I/Atlas, embarking on a mission that many thought impossible. This wasn't just about taking pictures, it was about pushing the limits of space travel. The world watched as this small probe attempted a maneuver never before tried outside computer simulations. Years of planning and thousands of minds went into this moment. 3I/Atlas carried the hopes of scientists everywhere, aiming to test a radical new idea, its mission to prove we could travel through space more efficiently. The probe's journey was a test, a challenge, and a leap toward the future. Success or failure would change how we explore our solar system. The stage was set for a cosmic first. 3I/Atlas may sound high-tech, but think of it as a small, smart space probe, about the size of a car, packed with sensors and a powerful computer. Its goal: reach Mars and test a new way to move through space, using less fuel than ever before. The plan was simple: enter Mars' orbit and study its atmosphere. But the real challenge was a secret attempt, an aerogravity assist, using Mars's atmosphere and gravity to change course. Imagine skipping a stone across a pond. 3I/Atlas would try to skip off the Martian atmosphere. The probe was built tough, with a heat shield and advanced navigation. Too deep it would burn up, too high it would miss its chance and drift into space. The margin for error was razor thin. This risky maneuver had never been tried before. If it worked, it would prove small probes could do big things. Everything depended on perfect timing and a bit of luck. On September 22, 3I/Atlas raced toward Mars at over 20,000 miles per hour. Instead of slowing with engines, it aimed for the edge of the Martian atmosphere. The probe dipped in, its heat shield glowing as it braved the friction. Computers made split-second adjustments, keeping it stable as it skipped off the atmosphere. For minutes, Earth lost contact, everyone waited. Then, 3I/Atlas emerged, perfectly on course. The maneuver worked. It slowed down, changed direction, and entered a new orbit. Mars had become a cosmic slingshot, saving months of travel and huge amounts of fuel. This breakthrough proved we could use planetary atmospheres to travel farther, faster, and cheaper. 3I/Atlas turned theory into reality. The impossible was now possible. Space travel would never be the same. In mission control, silence hung heavy as 3I/Atlas vanished behind Mars. Scientists and engineers stared at static, waiting for a signal. The tension was electric. Years of work balanced on a moment. Suddenly a beep broke the silence. 3I/Atlas was alive. Data poured in, speed, trajectory, temperature, all perfect. The skip was perfect, an engineer shouted, and the room erupted in cheers and hugs. Dr. Evelyn Reed, the mission director, smiled through tears. "You did it. The impossible is now possible." News spread fast. Scientists shared the story with the world. Animations showed the daring maneuver, a cosmic billiard shot. The probe was healthy, on a new path, ready for more discoveries. The world celebrated, inspired by the little probe that defied the odds. 3I/Atlas had made history. The future of space exploration looked brighter than ever. The success of 3I/Atlas marks a new era for Mars exploration. Now, we know we can use planets themselves to help us travel farther with less fuel. Future missions can be lighter, faster, and more ambitious. This technique, using atmospheres for aero capture, could help astronauts reach Mars and return home. It opens doors to exploring Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, and beyond. Every planet with an atmosphere is now a potential pit stop. 3I/Atlas was the pioneer, blazing a trail for future explorers. Its story proves that with science and courage, we can achieve the impossible. The universe is full of challenges and opportunities. The journey is just beginning.